We are doing a Hess truck test drive.
Round one. This one right here. It's a little Hess Jeep. As you can see, it has a Hess logo on it. It's so sick. This is round one right here. As you can see, it's a little Hess Jeep. It has the Hess logo on it. It's so sick. Alright, so right here, we're gonna have it jump the stairs, okay? Do it! Oh, okay. Alright, let's try this again. Oh, not gonna count. This is a Hess racing car. Alright, so, let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's try that again.
There you
That's
go.
how you know it's ready when it makes that ticking noise. Okay. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. All right, let's try that again. Woo! No, I don't think it's gonna make it. All right. Yep, this one is not gonna. This is a Hess racing car. Look at it, it's the old-fashioned style. This is gonna be so sick. Okay, let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Ooh.
Oh my. Uh-oh.
Alright, let's try this again. I set up a little ramp right here. Ooh, okay. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. Can I make this ball into a bag from here? Oh, did it! That was nice.